Hello, follow along as I read the poem. You can whisper read if you'd like. In like a lion, out like a lamb. March roars in like a lion, so fierce. The wind so cold it seems to pierce. The month rolls on, and spring draws near, and March goes out like a lamb, so dear. Remember yesterday as you were watching, you learned that this poem is about March, our month, and the seasons. In the beginning, it's cold and it's a rough, tough month like a lion. And then when March leaves, we have spring. And just like a little lamb, everyone's excited that spring's here because the nice weather has come. All right, now it's your turn to read the poem. Follow along as I read. You're going to repeat after me. Remember to actually turn your voice on. That's the only way you're going to become a better reader. In like a lion. Out like a lamb. March roars in like a lion. So fierce. The wind so cold, it seems to pierce. The month rolls on, and spring draws near. And March goes out like a lamb, so dear. All right, now your job is to illustrate the poem. Think about what does spring look like, or what did you do in March? Were you dressed for the cold weather, or did we have some sunshine and it warmed up? In the spring, the flowers start to bloom and it gets nice out again. So illustrate using and do your very best work. Once you've finished, you can read to self. Today your job is to circle the words near and dear. I'm going to let you find those words on your own today. Once you've circled those words, you need to write 3 words that rhyme with near and dear. Sometimes it's easier to think of words that rhyme when you say them together, like near, dear, fear. Oh, fear. Fear is when you're really scared of something. Fear. Near, dear, fear. Can you think of 2 more on your own? Near, dear, fear, steer. Oh, steer. S-T, steer. Near, dear, fear, steer. Cheer. C-H says ch. Cheer. Near, dear, fear, cheer. Now, some of these words might not be spelt the right, but just get the sounds down. Near, dear, fear. How about year? Near, dear, fear, year. The year we're in right now. Do you know what year we're in? Near, dear, fear, year. You fill in the other ones. Rewind and hit pause if you need to listen to the ones that I've already said. Please do your best. Once you've finished today, I'd like you to take a picture, upload your work to Seesaw, and record yourself reading In like a lion, out like a lamb.